Hi, that's an alert for a new order, and this can be viewed in a tablet, reduced size without the borders. Welcome to Yocom.io. This is an open source system under your branding, and you've got the choice on how you're going to make money out of it, be it on a per order basis and per reservation basis, and on a monthly subscription, and on an annual subscription. And we provide you the support you need to have in respect of setup and onwards, supporting you through all the different complex businesses that you'll come across that will require solutions. It isn't just order management, it's EPOS, and anyone who's in that field to do with takeaways, fast food and restaurants will know that you've got to have the EPOS and the app and the web ordering in one system. If you haven't got it, then you've got no solution. It isn't a solution just having an app for ordering. It's a historic solution that has no validity in today's world. All the smart money is going in to EPOS integration with aggregators and people like Uber and Deliveroo, who are providing the logistics solution. I'm just doing an order here, and this is an unknown item I'm putting here, and we've got 3 times that unknown item, and I'm going to place an order. In the EPOS system, I can see all my placed orders here. There's 2 collection orders, and the rest are dine-in. And I can continue with some of those orders because they are not paid at the moment, because that's how I've ordered it. If I cancel and I exit and go into order management, and I go to collection, and I'm going to change the order status awaiting collection. It's going to send me a message. Here's another one. I'm going to change the order status to awaiting collection. I'm now going to change the view. I'm going to change the view to the queuing view. And I'm going to do this wide, and you will have seen this in McDonald's. I'll tell you that 26 and 27 is awaiting, ready for collection. I'm going to show you something else now. At McDonald's, just go through here. They put the receipt in front of a scanner, and it tells the system that it's being collected. You can have a print on scan as well, and then you can print the order, you scan it, and it will update the status here. So you can have a scanner next to the cash desk where you scan and say that order's collected. Go back into orders here. You've got a feature called customer conversion, and you can then send the app download link, and the number, just as the email address, is added to your database. And so if you want to market to these people again to download the app and order through the app, you can. You see here this box here. and it says print on scan. You can have the customer come with a 2D barcode which is in the app and show that 2D barcode to the scanner, and it will show the order. So let's just get and print on scan 7855. And it brings up the order, and we know who it is, and it will have sent it for printing as well. We're integrated, and have a look at the videos on GPrinter, all their suite of products. So you've got a lot to choose from, and they're very good price. You can reprint here if you want to, or you can set the print application of AppPrint Pro on a local basis to print 2 copies of the main print, a kitchen print, and if it's delivery, a delivery driver print. Or you can email a copy of the receipt to the customer. It'll send an email copy of the invoice to the customer. You can filter, if you're sold out of products, you can make it appear as sold out and not orderable, but still it's viewable. It's sold out. You can filter that. This business has got a lot of products. You can view this like that, and as indicated before, you view it as you would all orders at McDonald's, for instance. So you can see the different colouring here at the edge here. It says it's awaiting collection, and these are preparing. Let's change one to cooking. And change one to a different status. Quality control. So preparing a cookie is in yellow. Let's say this was a delivery. You can add time to it or to the collection and save and notify the customer, and it will show in the app. If they made a web order, it will send them an SMS. Let's filter this. Change the view. We just want the kitchen view. So just show the yellow and blue items. This is cooking. These are to be prepared. You can see this is an additional item that's showing here before it was added, before it was actually ordered. All this under your branding. Let's go back into EPOS. This shows the placed orders, but they haven't been but they haven't been served now and paid for yet. This shows the saved orders. What are saved orders? Well, they're making some choice. They've chosen king prawn. They're not quite sure what they want next, so you've gone away and left them with it. We'll put table 4. You don't have to put that in. We just saved it. It's just because it was on a table. Different type of order. Install. We'll make another order. We're going to go check out, and we're going to pay by card. Now you can integrate at that point in time with a cloud printer, with a card processor. A cloud card processor. We're going to exit here, and we're going to go to Home. You're going to see here in the web ordering view. You can see your previous orders. We can make another order for collection and confirm. We can get the app download link on the web page. We have sweet corn soup, and we can make a few orders of that, a few soups, and all this design is up to you. How you design this template. There's lots of choices, lots of effects you can do. I just put on a pebble effect, a stone effect for a bit of fun today. I'm going to place that order. We just look at the app within the app. Pre-order. That comes on a scroller in the app, not a pop-up. We're just using a URL here. It's different in the app. Just fetching our favourites. Dim sum. Etc. Let's go back into the client's management system, and here they can create SMS marketing campaigns, email marketing campaigns, and they can schedule them for up to maybe 5 or 6 years in advance if they wish. They can send them to non-app users. They can add contacts by CSV. That's a new order just come in, alerts. And they can create for existing users. If you want to have the email marketing system, which is beta at the moment, you'll need an additional server. We'd prefer you to have it free later when it's not so beta. It's been beta for a while, but we've focused on other things. But this is the email marketing. We can create a new advert. Sometimes you get an issue with Apache on these things. This is a template you can use. We just come out of this. More interesting is create messages, push notifications, and you can repeat those push notifications using this function 100 times. There are none in here at the moment, because this isn't a live app. Let's just look at products, and in edit products, just bring all the products up. There's a lot of products to this app. Let's go filter those. You can see you can copy that product, you can edit that product, you can put in stock, minimum reorder level, minimum reorder quantity, cost per item. You can create more products by just copying an existing one if you need to. You can relate products. You can create bundles and deals. Lots of different types of deals you can create. Normal offer, buy one get one free, a number of products for a specific price. If you're running a loyalty program based on points on products, you can, or points financially, you can have a point reward multiplier. So you can run this deal. If you buy these 3 products as a meal deal, you get double points. And you can run it based on the location. Select the location. And you can run it specific days of the week on a Monday and specific hours. And you can start it on a certain date and end it on a different date. So this month's offer. Just look at those deal types. Incentive on a basket. So you get a financial reward. If you spend £100, you get £1 back. $100, you get $1 back. A volume purchase of a product, buy 5 and get a reduced price. So each one is £1.20. It would be $6 or £6. But if you buy 5, you only got paying $5 or £5. You can set the deals to be only for collection, only for delivery, only for dining, either for app or for web, or for both app and web orders. So that gives you an idea of that. On the loyalty, you can set up loyalty programs, and you can set up a first-time app user discount. And you can set up stamps. We know what those are. Total spend, value, reward. Rewards is based on the amount that you've spent, and you can have it as a financial reward or as a bundle of products, a selection. And you can have a points-based tiered rewards. So you get to 100 points, you've got certain rewards that you can select. If you've got 200 points, then there's a whole new set of basket of products you can select for free. So that's how that works. It all happens in a very automated way. We've got to spend a minimum amount in order to claim their loyalty. There's all different types of settings that they can have, and this is where your users will manage. This is where you manage in your system your apps. So we're in a different system now, and we can manage our apps that are in existence. In this one, this is a demo system. There are no live apps, but you can manage app creation, and we can go into one app creation here. It's a completely different system, and then on top of this you get a back office. But more about that at a later date. We help you with all this. There's a full help section. It's translated. The contact. You've got support tickets and forum. And you can manage tickets from your apps. You can have appointed representatives selling apps for you. You can have web app requests from your website. It's totally automated. You can have resellers and appointed representatives under those resellers, and you can make money on every order. So your resellers will sell out 50 pence an order. That will be added to your 25 cents per order. And just remember, this system is multilingual, multi-currency. So whatever currency you wish to work with. And depending on your location will depend on what is available for your merchant account. And we've integrated with a lot of merchant service providers. So I hope you can find that interesting. You're getting a lot of system. It's a revolutionary, market disruptive system for your money here. We're setting it live free. People saying that I'm irresponsible for doing it, I don't believe so. I'm giving you the powers to compete with the big boys. The big boys don't like the fact that you're getting this system. Again, so I showed you, you can have, even in a factory, you can scan and update the status of a creation of an order. This is highly disruptive. It applies to a lot of different industries. We wish you well to use it. Contact us help you by speaking to us, engage with us, tell us what you're trying to achieve, and we will do our best to ensure that you've got the right configuration and the right system for you in order to meet your goals. Thanks for watching.